Let's practice this question about factoring. How many factors does this expression have, 7x squared minus 28? So what we do first is when we try to factor is you always try to pull out some greatest common factor, the GCF. So what can we pull out of both terms? The answer is 7. So this here is equals to 7 times x squared minus 4. 7 times x squared is 7x squared. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28. So we think we're done, but if you recall, when you have something of the form a squared minus b squared, you can break it down using difference of squares into a plus b, a minus b. In this case, the b value is going to be the square root of 4, which is 2. So what we have here using difference of squares is we factor x squared minus 4 to be x plus 2, x minus 2, and we're done. So for the question how many factors, you might want to clarify how the person marking your exam is going to define what a factor is. So in the case, you can count 1, 2, just clarify with your teacher whether they're counting this number as a factor itself. So if we're counting this number, we have 1, 2, 3 different factors. So the answer is 3. Common mistake for this type of question is to stop too early. If you are able to break down and factor further, please do so. And please don't forget about the number and ask your teacher whether your teacher considers that a factor itself or not.